Hello, and welcome to Manos Music Piano Tutorials. Today, we will be talking about the popular pop song, Talk by Khalid. This one is really fun for me to play because it's simple, it's in the key of C, and we get to explore seventh chords. And it's really nice because it's kind of the same groove throughout the tune, and once we kind of get in the flow, it's going to be pretty simple. So, a seventh chord is when we take our normal triad, like F. We've recently done just 1, 3, and 5. Now, that's been our basic chords as we've been playing many different, tunes before. A seventh is we go 1, 3, 5, 7. So it's this really pretty sound. Right? So, what's going to happen is your left hand is going to be playing the bass notes, and your right hand is going to be jumping up to play the rest, the third, the fifth, and the seventh. So it's going to feel like you're playing two chords at the same time. Alright, to accomplish that, we have F in the bass, and then our right hand is going A, C, E. So it's almost like an A minor chord on top of an F, also known as F major 7. And you simply just walk that down. Same shape. So in that, I achieved F major 7, E minor 7, and D minor 7. Sounds complicated, right? But it's pretty straightforward. And it sounds really great. And then the next two chords are just up 1 to E. Right? So we have this nice sound, and if I do octaves, so I'm going to show you how to play a little bit of the riff. Kind of how to play that all together. So it's going to be this F major 7 down to D minor 7 with the bass. Then we go up to E, back down to D. Now, we're going to have a little riff in between. And the riff notes are going to be G, A, C, can we just? So that sounds like this. Can we just talk? And the second one is going to be G, A, C, A, bo-do-da-doo. So it's going to add an extra A note at the end. Do-do-da-doo, bum, bum, bum. Right? So now we're going to add in both riffs in between all the chords that we just talked about. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Right? So the second riff is pretty quick. But again, our riff notes are simply just G, A, and C. And the first one is just G, A, C. Second one, G, A, C, A. Do-da-do. So when you put that all together, can we just talk? Can we just talk? And I'm not going to mess up the words when I sing it for real. Okay? So, putting in that riff before we start, in between, right? So the hands kind of move together in a way. So if you're playing just the bass, it's going to be like an F chord, but again, remember, we're playing sevenths. So we're going to move our shape up from F to A. So it's going to feel like you're playing in the right hand, A minor, G, F. But in reality, you're playing F major 7, E minor 7, D minor 7. So the right hand, again, is going to look like A minor, G, F, then G, G, F. But with the bass, that makes it fancy because our bass is going F, E, D, D, E, D. So when I put that together with the riff, 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 it's going to be a little tricky to get the coordination down, especially that second riff. That that's really tough to hit in time. So again, if you find yourself flubbing over notes, always slow it down, and that's going to help make things a little bit smooth. Okay? One more time, the whole riff together. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about